How to fix Reddit no sound. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix it. So first thing first, make sure that you are using the current version or the updated version of your Reddit. For that, head over to your Play Store or your App Store, then simply search for Reddit. If your application shows update, tap on update and update your app. Once it is so, see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then here is the last thing you can try. Launch your Reddit application, get logged into your account, then tap onto your profile on your top right, head over to settings at the below page, scroll below, under accessibility, you will see media and animations. Open it, and likewise tap on this autoplay video previews. Make sure this is set to always. And also be noted, some videos might not have sound itself, so that is why you are not being able to hear any sound. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.